Oh fuck, what the fuck is this? Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a different kind of video. It's not about food, it's about hair dyeing. This is why we're in my bathroom. Today I'm going to try this color. It's without ammonia. It's for a Zilba blonde. Oh, I thought it will be gray. Oops. We'll see. My hair is like, the actual shade is a bit less yellow. So it's supposed to work, and even if I have some yellows, then this is supposed to like neutralize it. I tried their products before, Isana's hair color before. You can watch it right there. It wasn't such a success. It was purple, supposed to be. You can watch and see. It's by Rossmann, which is drugstore here in Germany. And this one cost me €1. €1.10. They say to leave it for intensive dye effect 30 minutes. So I'm going to leave it for 1 hour. Silver blonde. This is the product. So it comes like this. What? Put it on my hair straight. And this, very useful. I don't need to waste my own. They don't say how to do that, so I'll just see. It's such a small amount, 40 milliliters. Do I need to like, I don't know. Oh, what? Oh fuck, what the fuck is this? This is not a color. And it broke down. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. It's what? Never put something like that on my hair. How do you know it's like, why is it like that? Sweetie. Have you ever seen a hair dye in this kind of form? Ah, what? It has some sort of a purple sheen to it. I see it, you probably won't. This is weird. Foam form. Have you ever encountered a hair dye in a foam form? This is an adventure, isn't it? I honestly don't understand what is happening. I forgot also to brush my hair. So bad at this. How can I tell if something is not dyed? If you tried this product, tell me in the comment below what you thought of it. The weirdest experience I had with a hair dye ever. Kind of feel like it's not for your hair. Think this will do. Okay, so I came to the living room, to the good light to show you how it looks. And what's the shade now? It looks a bit colder. This is what I'm aiming for also, to give it a 1 shade colder. So this is it, and I'm going to wait for 30 minutes to an hour. I'll keep you updated and we'll see what it will turn out to. So I'm after the shower. I dried it a bit. See what we've got. It's just me, or it looks like it has a sheen, a silvery sheen to it. Interesting. I always never know where to comb my hair to what side. Looks good, right? I wonder if it did anything. When you blow dry your hair, when the hair dries by itself, it becomes different. Right now it looks white, platinum with a silvery, purpley sheen. So I'm going to blow dry it and show you the result. This is how it looks when it's dry. I just blow dried it with the blow dryer. I didn't even use a brush, just like with my hands. I don't know actually how it looks. It looks nice to me. I'm not sure that it did anything, but it is a toner and not a hair dye. So I guess for its aim, it's kind of nice. I'm going to put like on the side the footage from yesterday video, so you can see the difference if there is any. But basically I really like it, and I'm really happy that I found a way to blow dry it so it will look nice. So this product, it was surprising to me, but actually it was saying on it that it's foam Schaumtönung foam tuner. It was there, I just didn't know enough German to know that back then when I bought it. So I guess it does do what it's supposed to. I think for me it's come on, stop buying cheap products because they basically don't work. So I think next time I'll dye my hair, it will be to a purple silver kind of thing. I think I like the purple on me, but I do want to have it like in a really cold shade, and I have two clashing hair dyes right now, so I don't know. If you want to see more videos about my hair, even though my channel is about food, tell me in the comment below so I'll know you want to see that. If you want to see another hair dye video that I already made, you can click right here. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload videos. And I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!